In the end, Xiaodong brutally destroyed the clown and showed him what real pain feels like. But Xiaodong didn't stop his parade of punishing fake masters there. He found himself a new victim. His next target was a self-proclaimed Tai Chi master who fancied himself immortal and dared to challenge Xiaodong. But once the fight began, Xiaodong, like a skilled masseur, gave him a full-body massage with his fists. After which, he made the fake master meditate in a horizontal position. In the end, Xiaodong brutally beat the fool, publicly exposing the fake master for what he truly was. In this fight, the fake master, completely confident in his bull Shidu, decided to challenge a professional boxer. However, after the bell rang, it became clear that the clown wouldn't just lose the fight, but would be brutally humiliated. His opponent chose to use only one hand to demonstrate the utter worthlessness of the fake master. Yet despite this, he easily destroyed the Harlequin with just his left hand. Even the referee couldn't save the clown from the inevitable punishment. Yet another fool, thinking he's Bruce Lee, convinced his costume would save him. He went full Bruce Lee, outfit and all, just forgot to copy the skills. Because once the fight started, the clown, realizing how helpless he was, started running from his opponent like a Mexican fleeing immigration officers. But the real fighter wasn't about to let his prey go, and in the end, sent that fake Bruce Lee straight into another dimension. This self-proclaimed Wing Chun master, believing in the power of his circus skills, challenged a young fighter. But apparently, in the fight, the real blows drained all of the jester's chakra, turning the match into a full-on ass whooping. In the end, the real fighter sent the fake master